Hello everyone. So today we'll start PMGM introduction. So in PMGM we have five topics: goal management, performance management, calibration, 360, and continuous performance management. So let's start with the goal management. So what is goal management? In SuccessFactors, goal management enables employees and managers to align individual goals with the company's business goal. So this is the definition of the goal management. So in goal management, we will learn about the managed template, what is data goal import, email notification, goal execution, transfer goal between users in managed template, how to configure the goal template. So this is the goal template, and this is the goal plan, how to create the goal plan, how to add goals, what is create a new goal wizard, copy from other goal plans, and create new template. We have topics like personal goal, library goal. So we will learn about these things in goal. So now come to the next topic, performance management. So what is performance management? Performance management is a process by which managers and employees work together to plan and review an employee's work. So it is about aligning the goal of the organization with the employees. So in performance management, we will learn about the managed template, what is the route map, rating scale, how to launch forms, email notification settings, how to delete form, and how to create the performance review template in managed template. How to create these templates. I will tell you about what is the general setting, fields and the section, how to sync goal plan to the performance review, what is the core values, we will learn about the competencies, what is core competencies, custom, job specific competencies. I'll show you about the advanced settings, what to enable and disable there. We will learn about the permission section, field permission, action permission. So we will learn about all these things and performance. Now come to the next topic, calibration. So calibration is the process organization use to compare and potentially adjust the rating of their team members. So slowly you will understand about the calibration. So in calibration, we will learn about these topics: calibration session, calibration settings, mass create calibration session, manage calibration templates. So we will learn about all these things in calibration. Now come to the 360. So 360 is very similar to the performance management only. So I will tell you later what is the difference in performance management and 360 reviews. So in 360, you can see the same rating scale, route map, manage template, email notification template setting. Okay, so now come to the continuous performance management. So CPM, continuous performance management, it's a tool where employees keep their manager informed on their progress in terms of achieving goals. So it's about CPM. So it's all about the PMGM topics. Okay, so in SuccessFactors we have two things, instance and provisioning. So what you can see here, it's an instance, it's a front end. I'll show you the backend. So in backend, it's a provisioning where in provisioning we enable various settings based on the client requirement, and client will not have access to the provisioning system. Only SS certified consultant we have access to it. So I'll show you what to enable, what to disable in provisioning, and we will learn about the XML also. I'll show you about XML. So these all about the PMGM topic. So thank you so much, guys. So this is all about introduction of PMGM. Thank you so much.